Hello everyone! It's the next issue of Give M5 and it is such a beautiful day out today, and with all the rain that we've been having, a lot of flowers have been coming up, and these flowers come in lots and lots and lots of different colors. So today I'm going to be going on a color hike, and I'm going to try to look for as many different colors as I possibly can on the flowers, or even just in nature. So here's one fun thing. If you notice, what color am I wearing today? If you go back on all the other videos that I have, I should have been wearing a different colored shirt each time. So what colors have I worn? Whoa, that is a bright colored flower. These flowers remind me of fruit, like a bunch of grapes. Ooh, look at this beautiful flower. I know most people think it's a weed, but it's great for our early pollinators, and I love the color. Ooh, look at this beautiful, colorful flower. I see a few more flowers. Have we found every color of the rainbow yet? I see some more flowers. More colorful flowers. I wonder how the bleeding heart got its name. These flowers look like they have rings on them. The tops of these flowers are a different color than the bottoms. Another flower that has more than one color. I spy some more colorful flowers. These flowers form a ball on this tree. These don't have flowers yet, but what a unique color plant. Wow, that's a pretty flower. And these little teeny tiny flowers all around the tops of the plants. Have you noticed all the different shapes and sizes of flowers too? Not just the colors? I see several different colors on these flowers. These are last year's flowers that are dried but still on their stems. Whoa, that's a pretty flower too. Another colorful tulip. I see some more flowers. Wow, that's a unique color. Flowers come in so many colors. This flower's got stripes. Look at these beautiful flowers on this tree. Wow, this flower has a couple different colors on it. These teeny tiny flowers are on the ends of what looks like blades of grass. We even have more color. Look at these beautiful color flowers. Can anyone guess what color flower I see here? Look at these little teeny tiny flowers. They're from a tree. I wonder how these violets got their name. I see some more flowers. How many petals do they have? Another unique color on this flowering plant, but no flowers yet. All right, I just got back from the walk, and can you believe all those different colored flowers we saw? There were so many different shapes and sizes and number of petals and simple flowers and compound flowers and variations of color, and it's all because of the sunlight that comes down, and it comes in waves, and in that wave of sunlight are different colors, and depending on the color that bounces off the item to our eye, that's what we see. So there's even colors that we can't see that other animals can because they have a larger spectrum. So the next time you are out hiking, try that Roy G. Biv and look for the rainbow of colors. And one last thing, if you find some flowers on your next hike around the neighborhood, make sure you take a picture. I would love to see them in the comments. Bye!